Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our page. Today we are in page 84. So let's get started. We are still doing تمرينات على تنوين المفتوح. Practicing on the Tanween. Tanween, which is فتحتين. Okay. The فتحتين Tanween. Okay. Remember we said we have فتحتين, كسرتين and ضمتين, and we refer them as Tanween, putting a noon or the sound noon at the end. We can't see the noon physically, but we can hear the sound of the noon. So we have ثيابا 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 ترى. Okay, do you see an alif here? Yes, we have alif صغيرة. Please do not forget about that. ترابا ترابا ترابا. Then we have فسادا 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 فسادا. إماما 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 إماما. Then we have سببا سببا سببا. A lot of students here, they get tricked by the ba here. They think you say sababan. Nope. Sababan. Sababan. There's nothing long here. Saba and ban. The same here. Jana fan. Jana fan. Jana fan. Iwa jan. Iwa jan. Iwa jan. Kavi ban. Kavi ban. Kavi ban. Okay, you have to be cautious on that. طهورا طهورا طهورا. شهو, this is ha, not a meme. شهودا شهودا شهودا. صعودا 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 صعودا. ونوحا ونوحا ونوحا. Then we have حطا. Look at the alif صغيرة. حطا حطا من حطا من حطا من. Then here there's nothing long. So it's شططا 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 شططا. Do not say شططا. A lot of people say that. سوءا. Look at the madda and the hamza, okay? And ask yourself, what kind of a madda is this? Is it muttasil or munfasil? You answer it on your own. سوءا. Then you have she. Look at the shin. She, it's long. She ben. She ben. She ben. She ben. Let's start one more time from the top here. We have ثيابا ثيابا ترابا ترابا فسادا فسادا إماما إماما سببا سببا جنفا جنفا عوجا عوجا كذبا كذبا طهورا طهورا شهودا شهودا صعودا صعودا ونوحا ونوحا. Then we have حطاما حطاما شططا شططا سوءا سوءا شيبا شيبا شيبا. Inshallah, thank you for watching. See you in the next half. مع السلامة.